Hi there, how are you today? If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Chelsea.Corrine. Welcome to my channel. And if this isn't your first time here, well, welcome back. Thanks so much for coming back. Today, we are going to be doing something very cool that I saw on TikTok. We're actually going to be taking two different viral beauty TikToks and trying them out. One has to do with foundation and the other with eyeshadow, and I'm very nervous about the eyeshadow one because, of course, I had to choose a palette that would, well, we'll show you. It's gonna get dicey there, probably, but we'll see. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, hit that down below, hit the notification bell. I think I figured out my schedule. It's gonna be Mondays will be makeup videos, Fridays will be podcast videos, and possibly Wednesday we'll do something food related. And then, of course, every single day at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is a story time video while we're in quarantine for kids. So book suggestions, I'm taking them. So let me know which books your kids would enjoy or a book you would enjoy. Let me know. We also might serialize it and do a chapter book and do a little bit every single day and do longer videos because I think that'd be kind of fun as well. Well, let's get into this video trying some TikTok hacks here. Wish me luck. Let's get rolling. So the first hack I saw included a way to do your foundation, and I don't know how I feel about it yet, but we'll find out. It says to start off with moisturizer. So we're gonna moisturize my face first, put some moisturizer on, because especially around my nose ring. I got a nose ring about almost 2 months ago. It's always very dry right there, but I wonder if it's like when I'm washing, I'm not like really getting in there. You know what I'm saying? So let's moisturize me up. Okay, so then it says, it doesn't say to let this dry down, which is mildly nerve-wracking. It says to moisturize first. I'm going to wait a hot second because then it says to put translucent powder on. So we're going to just take a big fluffy brush and we're going to coat my face in powder. This feels very weird. I feel like I'm setting the moisturizer. I don't understand. So then she said to cover up your powder with a setting spray, which I have, if I don't drop it, my Morphe setting spray. So then she says to wait. And then primer, then foundation? I think. Did I do that right? I don't honestly know. But I think it was the setting spray. Then primer, then foundation. We're going with that because now I forgot, but we're going with that. All right, so my setting spray is dry. We're going to go in with the No Problem Primer by Touch in Soul. I love this. This also came from like a BoxyCharm last year or something like that. I haven't had a BoxyCharm in a while, but I like it because it's very blurring and it's very tacky. So we're going to do that and put it where I would normally put a pore filling primer, which is like in this area. And then my forehead and my chinny chin chin. So now it says to go with my foundation. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. Oh, the face tape. I read the wrong side. Anyway. All right. So I'm going to go with this. Honestly, I think this might be a shade. No, this is the same shade as my. No, it's not. I'm going to say it was the same shade as my concealer, but it's not. Okay. Let's do like 2 pumps. Now we're going to need a mirror. Mirror time. This is not the palette we're using for the palette challenge thing. Oh no, because this is too easy. My face does look even more blurred than normal. And I'm curious to see if it'll last longer. Let's get the chest, because my chest is always so red. That's the foundation so far. So we're definitely looking crazy. So I have a notebook. Like it's porgs. Okay, anyway, so where's the palette I'm using? To grab that. I'm going to do the Conspiracy palette. Why I'm choosing the Conspiracy palette is there's a lot of nuts colors in here. So this could go really bad or really good. See, we've got that there. So I don't know. We could end up with something weird. So how many colors are there? 18 colors. I could consider and add in the mini palette, but we're just going to do this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab out a piece of paper from my notebook, write down 1 through 18, cut them up. We're going to put them in a wine glass. And we're going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. We're going to rip these up into tiny little pieces. And let's grab a wine glass. Yes, I've painted this all on my own. So let's reach in here. Mix these all up. Okay, does not look when I do this. We have got 9. So which one's 9? 6. Whoop. 7, 8. No. It's food videos. It is that bright yellow shade there. Oh, there's some Inception. Look at that. Woohoo. Okay, anyway. So 9 food videos. Okay. That was okay. Okay. Oh, wait, I grabbed 2 at the same time and I looked. I don't want to do that. That's cheating. Okay, we have got 18, which is my ride is here. Okay, not bad. We've got bright yellow and black. Please be a neutral shade or something. I don't know. What do I need? I don't have a shimmer yet. I don't even know what shimmer I'd want, though. Okay, here we go. Are we ready? 1. Oh, okay. Which is ranch, which is like a pearlescent white. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So we got 1, 18, 1, 18, and 9. So 1, 9, 18. Kind of going, I think this could be fine. Okay. Okay. Gently into my ride is here. I don't know what our plan is here. I kind of have a weird idea. We'll just start with this. Okay. Just a very light dusting. Blend. Beige blend. So I think I have my idea. I think we're going to go like really dark here to just here, like on an angle, like a really extreme look, and just do that little ranch in the inner corner. Like we're going to make this like intense, I think. And we'll do like an intense wing liner maybe? I don't know. Okay. So I want that going across there. This is insane. I want a flat brush. This is crazy, right? Like this is nuts. Okay. I need to blend out where I just effed up. So I don't like that there. We'll blend this part and we'll readjust that. This is a very intense look, and I don't know if I have the skill set for this. I'm gonna wet this down a little bit. This is insane. Wetting that down. I was gonna film something else after this, but we're not filming anything for after this is taken off again. I'm debating on how to do this. Could you imagine filming like a story time video after this for kids? Okay. Is this the most insane look I've ever done in my life? Yes. Now we're going to go in with food videos, that bright yellow. And we're going to have to wet this too. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just leave it at that. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Should I have started with food videos? Yes. Why? Oh, I didn't need a second. Makeup boy. Where did my makeup boy go? Should I have started with food videos since it is yellow and I'm trying to cover black? Yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Clearly not thinking this through as I'm doing it because I'm in my head right now. But in reality, let's just cover up with this what I don't want and cut it. But I have an idea. If it works, it'll be a miracle. Ooh, even better idea. Okay, this is going to be insane. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to cut it in the middle with some yellow. So we're going to need a lot of concealer. And we're going to come that back over this way. Yeah. Wet the brush. This is not a tutorial. This is an experiment. In with the yellow. Okay. Probably too wet. Let's just really pack on the yellow. I'm going to stamp it on because I think that's the only way this is going to ever work. I mean, it's coming together. I feel like I look like the Chargers logo. Now we've got the yellow. Let's go back in with some black and clean it up. You know, just a casual everyday look. And then taper it down like that. So black goes back over it. But like, why do I love it? It's so weird. It's so cool. Now, are we going to be able to repeat this on the other side? Probably not. So I quickly went and did my brows off camera and then I took a black liner. Now this is, where did my little mirror go? And what I did is like outlined all of the black and then blended it in. So we're going to do that over here. And it really makes a big difference on the way the black looks, making it super intense. Take the black again and just like buff out those edges. Stamping it back. So now I'm going to wipe this all away. Under eye, hit it with a little bit of black. And then we'll do yellow, and then we'll do the inner corner with that one color. It didn't get much love. Yellow. Okay, and then Branch, which was our white color. My lips, I'm going to use this Bikini Bottom by Sofia Nygaard X Colourpop. Holy crap. Did we do it? I think we did it. Let's get up close and personal here. Let's close the eyes. Rotate, 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 rotate. What do you think? Isn't this is intense. But I kind of love it. Definitely not a go out and have a cup of coffee kind of look, but it's definitely a look, and it's definitely intense. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video, comment down below makeup ideas that you have for me. What else? Subscribe, notification bell. I think that's about it. And now I gotta go wash this off to do some other videos. All right, well, if you have another TikTok, oh wait, how did that come out? I actually really like my foundation. Okay, so that like TikTok hack, I like a lot. This 3-color thing is insane and amazing and so different and fun. If you've tried it, let me know. I want to see it. And if you haven't, do it. It's kind of fun. It's very different, and it'll give you something, you know, to experiment a little bit and challenge yourself a little bit, which is always fun. I will see you back here again soon. Bye, guys.